Now you must understand it. Where is this mosque? Center of Medina. In Surah Al-Qasas 28:20. وَجَاءَ رَجُلٌ مِّنْ أَقْصَى الْمَدِينَةِ يَسْعَى قَالَ يَا مُوسَى إِنَّ الْمَلَأَ يَأْتَمِرُونَ بِكَ لِيَقْتُلُوكَ فَاخْرُجْ إِنِّي لَكَ مِنَ النَّاصِحِينَ. And there came a man striving from Aqsa, remotest of Al-Madinah, distant in time, solitary, inconsolable and isolated. He said, O Musa, surely the nobles assembly are ordering with you, they will kill you, go away, get away, surely I am from the advisors for you. Now I am narrating a situation that I'm just also locating the same masjid or same masjid. How? That was in Medina, center of Medina. Now there came a man in one of the ayahs of the Quran, there came a man striving from Aqsa Medina. Medina is the city. Aqsa would be, meaning is a comparative word. Like Akbar, like Asghar. Akbar means more big. Asghar means more small. Or the most remotest place of Medina. You see there, you call it, they say, this is old Karachi and this is new Karachi, something like that. Old, ancient in time, distant in time, solitary, inconsiderate, nobody knew this place. He came from a place which was distant in time, solitary, alone, inconsiderable and isolated. The center was isolated, that place. That is Aqsa Medina. Aqsa Medina means the most remotest place of Medina. The center was most remotest place of Medina. And said to Musa, people are trying to kill you, the nobles of assembly want to kill you, you run away, I am one of the advisors. That is a separate issue, but we are trying to find out which is this most ancient place of Medina. And Surah Yasin 36:20, people read again Surah Yasin, the heart of Quran, they say, وَجَاءَ مِنْ أَقْصَى الْمَدِينَةِ رَجُلٌ يَسْعَى قَالَ يَا قَوْمِ اتَّبِعُوا الْمُرْسَلِينَ. And there came a man striving from Aqsa, remotest of Medina, the city, distant of time, solitary, inconsiderable and isolated. He said, O my people, follow the messengers. Where he came from? Remotest or the center of Medina. Why I am saying center? Because that is, Medina has got a center and it is, that Prophet's mosque is there. And that mosque was there, he came from that mosque. Why I am saying this? You see next ayat. Surah Al-Isra 17:1. Subhanalladhi asra bi'abdihi laylan min al-masjid al-haram ila al-masjid al-aqsa alladhi barakna hawlahu linuriyahu min ayatina innahu was-samiul basir. Glory to him who traveled with his servant by night from Al-Masjid al-Haram, the forbidden mosque, to Al-Aqsa, the remotest mosque, distant in time, solitary, inconsiderable and isolated, whose surroundings we have blessed, so that we show him from our ayahs signs. Surely he is the listener, the one with insight. Now Allah says, glory to him who did take his servants or travel by night from the sacred mosque to a remotest mosque. Remotest in time. Nobody knew that mosque. Those who built. Remember? Those people who built at that time, in the time of at that time it was built. So Allah took our messenger prophet from Masjid al-Haram to the remotest place. That mosque was there. But it was isolated all the time in the history of the Quran. But it came when Allah said, when he went, he said, Alladhi barakna hawlahu. Alladhi barakna hawlahu linuriyahu min ayatina. From that onwards it was blessed. Its surroundings was blessed. And now it has become the most religious mosque of the whole world. After Masjid al-Haram, the most important mosque in the world, Muslim world, is Al-Aqsa Mosque. Remotest of Medina. Remotest of Medina is the remotest mosque. And we have identified that remotest mosque is center mosque center place is Medina, Al-Aqsa al-Madina. It's in Medina, the center of the Medina, north from Mecca. Whose surrounding we have blessed to show him some of our ayats. An amazing part I would like to inform to you, I have been 2-3 times there, Masjid Haram, Masjid Aqsa, or Masjid Aqsa means Masjid Nabi. They say, you say Prophet Mosque. Who says this? Mankind. Okay? If you go there, you will not find in the Masjid Haram. I have been all around the Masjid Haram. It's a huge mosque. You will never find written anywhere Masjid al-Haram. Because Quran speaks about Masjid Haram. Okay? You understand this or not? Now, if you go to the Prophet Mosque, that they say, you will never find any, go all around, you will not say Prophet's Mosque. Why don't you write it? Why don't you write Masjid al-Haram and Masjid Nabi on the mosque? Because you know the truth. Masjid al-Haram, all mankind knows. So you don't have to write Masjid al-Haram on it, because other mosques are named by name. In the world, the mosques are named by name. Every mosque has a name. The Quran describes Masjid al-Haram because of the Kaaba. The other masjid, the other mosque is defined by the Ashab-e-Kahf. And you can see they are the only 2 mosques in the world which has got, one is got Kaaba in it, and one is got those people in it. They are the only 2 mosques with that situation. Otherwise, normal mosques, you have to become a half of the sacred mosque. The other mosques do not have all this. They are the special mosques, and Allah says we have blessed its surroundings of the Al-Aqsa Mosque. And Aqsa is the most remotest of Medina. That is the, in other words, center of Medina. Masjid Nabi, that they say, is the center of Medina. So it's in the center. And Kaaba is the center of the planet Earth. So it's a north of, it's from Mecca you go north, you see that Medina is in the north, exact north, and that 23 the latitude and longitude position is given.